Loving the Silent Tears is a Broadway-style musical inspired by Supreme Master Ching Hai's profound poetry collection, Silent Tears, directed by Tony nominee Vincent Pattison, with choreography by Emmy winner Bonnie Story. The musical takes us on a magical train ride to 16 countries across 6 continents. It's a journey of fantastic dances and songs performed by award-winning artists from around the world, as well as a voyage of finding inner peace. This extraordinary musical was premiered on October 27, 2012 at the Grand Shrine Auditorium in Los Angeles, California, USA, to commemorate the 19th anniversary of Supreme Master Ching Hai Day. In our series of programs, we are privileged to invite you to join this amazing musical ride. Let's continue with part 6.
Hey, baby. Hey, where's my lucky girl? I could have used you out here. Might need to get some of that cash back. Yeah, I'll show you who's dimwit gambler. You thought this was my life savings? I got more. Yeah, not a lot more. Anyway, I'll win it all back tomorrow. Oh, the book. Friday. He looks so handsome in his sleep. He looks so handsome in his sleep. You wrote a book about me. Hey, lady.
Quit that. What are you doing?
You wrote a book about me.
I can't hear you.
You wrote a book about me.
You wish.
In here.
Where here?
Saturday. He turns 20 today. I pray the angels visit his dreams.
Give it.
Oh, no. This is about the mysterious son. Oh, the famous Mr. Perfect.
Give it here.
Wow, what's so secret? Oh, is it stories from your dark past? Lovers of the present?
A black eye in your future.
Oh, that's pretty bold for an old lady. Oh, knock, knock. Missed.
Safety is an illusion.
Ah. Sunday, he still sleeps, and my heart turns black. Where are you, God? Oh, what's this? Oh, a poem. Oh, I am the mouthpiece of the entire creation.
Call the conductor. Conductor! And he's gonna throw you off this train, and with any luck, you'll land in Siberia.
I am the mouthpiece of the entire creation, voicing openly their sorrows and pains of life after life in the ever-rolling wheel of death. Pray, compassionate master, hasten to put it to an end. Я есть рупор всего мироздания, выражающий и скорбы, и боль, и жизни в жизни вечно движущемся цикле смерти. Молю тебя, милосердный владыка, пусть этому придет конец. O master of infinite radiance, be gracious and shed a few beams into my longing heart. scorpions and snakes, which fights with lust, anger, and hatred. People are drowning helplessly therein. Наш мир водоворот, полный скорпиона и змей, и жалящие злобы и ненависти, и люди беспомощно тонут в нем. Oh, Master, King of all the kings, please take them back to the mansion of peace, and restore to them the eternal spring. When you cast your lyrical glance at somebody, that person would believe she is your only beloved. Когда ты бросаешь свой нежный взгляд на кого-то, то человек ощутит себя твоим возлюбленным. Oh, loveliest of all the lovely, cast 100,000 glances on me. Готовы солнца, месяц, звезды, вселенной. I'd sell all the suns, the moons and the stars in the universe just to buy one of your beautiful glances. Oh, master of infinite radiance, be gracious and shed a few beams into my longing heart.
Hey, baby. Wait, you're mine? You with this loser?
He has my book.
Hey, hey, that's all my money.
I demand you get my diary.
No, that's all I got. No, it's all I got.
Get my book. Oh!
Emergency stop, all stop!
Ah!
Oh! Get your hands off my bag! What are you... Oh!
I was just at a restaurant with my brother, and they had this little flyer here, you know, and I just thought, oh, what's this? A musical, Loving the Silent Tears. So it just intrigued me, and I brought my mother. She's particularly in need of this kind of rejuvenation for her. I wanted it to be a kind of a spiritual and uplifting, inspirational thing for her, and it turned out to be even more for myself.
Magnificent.
It was
just an
great.
extravaganza of artistic talent, music.
Wonderful.
I was just really impressed with the whole variety of the dancing. Spectacular.
Just exquisite.
Whoever did the set and those stage hands need to have an award.
The Russian dancing, the African dancing, it was just...
I really enjoyed the show, and I discovered so much about it.
I did really never expect it to be so amazing. I mean, in every sense, the costumes, the choreography.
Hey, how are you? Thank you. Beautiful program.
I'm excited to get some food in the stomach.
I didn't eat anything today because I knew it was going to be so good. I wanted to save all the room for it.
It was delicious. I feel like telling everyone to become a vegan.
Beautiful buffet out there. And we even had an extra plate we brought home. My mom loved the
I
salad.
so enjoyed the food art. I am such a huge fan of that.
I had a wonderful show. Everyone in the audience was tremendous, and there was an incredible energy. And I'm going to have some fruit.
It's so good. I'm so excited to eat. This smells amazing.
The auditorium, the dancers, the lighting, the musical.
I was in awe the whole entire time.
It was wonderful. The speakers,
everybody.
But I'm sad because they're just doing it one day. You know, they should do it more. It's really beautiful.
Just so you know, my mom was watching in Brazil, so the whole live stream is wonderful.
The story itself was tender and touching.
The music, the costumes, it was just an amazing show tonight.
This tribute is truly a testament to Supreme Master Ching Hai's vision for a more healthy, joyful, and peaceful, and more loving world.
You are cool, you are good, you are strong. Well, prove it by choosing vegan now.
Magnanimous viewers, we appreciate your company today for Loving the Silent Tears, the musical, part 6 of a multi